It's really hot out and no one's outside, so I got some new parts. I'm just gonna do a bike check. Alright, we'll start off with the grips. These are the Animal Edwin grips. They're pretty nice. And these are the Kink Drive PC bar ends. I'm running the Odyssey Air and Ross space bars. They're 28 inches wide and 8.15 inch rise. Got the Sputnic realm stem. It comes with hollow bolts, and yeah, that's pretty nice too. Sputnic integrated headset. Black label fork with tapered legs and 3/8 dropouts. My front tire is the KHE folding street tire, and my front wheel is the Odyssey Vendero 2 front hub laced to a Odyssey Quadrant double wall rim with 14G spokes and brass nipples, and that's a BST hub guard and a Sputnic hammer peg. I'm running black label pedals and profile cranks with a titanium spindle. Snafu Ola 25T sprocket. A KMC K710SL chain. This is a Shadow slimmer seat with a Sputnic pivotal post. Another KHE street tire in the back. My back wheel is the Sputnic Rewind cassette hub with a hollow chromoly axle and a 9T one-piece driver with 6-pawl engagement, laced to a Primo hula hoop triple wall rim with 14G spokes and brass nipples. And that's a Sputnic hammer peg and an FBM hub guard. And yeah, I think that's it. Stolen revolver mid-bottom bracket. My frame is the Sputnic Space Cobra frame with a heat-treated integrated head tube, drilled for gyro tabs, top and down tube gussets, double-butted down tube, heat-treated grindable design mid-bottom bracket shell, single-butted seat tube, externally butted and tapered seat stays, heat-treated 14mm dropouts that are 5mm thick, and yeah, a welded clamp too. And my bike is 23 pounds 4 ounces.